It's me, I'm back at the Emerald Hollow mine digging deep into the, it's a combination of quartz mica vein right now, and some manganese is showing up, which means there's probably going to be some crystals. There's going to be some crystals. This is what I found so far. But it's got good clarity. This one you can see right into it. There's a rainbow back in there too. You see down in there? And this one just came out. There's some cool inclusions in there. I'm not sure if you can see all those or not. Alright, down here, this is my, where I put all my dirt. See, there's facing on that one too. So I'm getting facing and manganese. I pulled that one out, it was all manganese covered. Now, what I'd like to do is get these boulders out of here. And see, there's something right there. Hello. Come on. There you go. There you go. My new friend. My new friend, you sit right there. I'm gonna go back in. Put that in a bucket. And then right here, this one. Yeah, that's got some stuff going on in it. That's going to be a face. This is holding all that mica on that. And down there in that crevice, there's a rutile. Let me scrape some of this dirt out of here. Oh, there's something wiggling around down in there too. There it is. There it is. All right. There's something right there. And I'm going to finish with that one. So, take a grab at the mic out. Then we'll go back in and try to get this guy. That sitter I had attached to it, broken there but healed. It wanted to be, it had all the makings of the crystal. Alright, is that it? Nope, there's one there. That's going to have to wait till later though. And then we'll pull this out and that will be it. So let's hope it's a good one. Alright. Well, we manifested a good one. Alright, that's going to wrap it up. But it's all looking really good still. Got a lot of rock to knock down and continue on. But until then, that's it for now.